If you wouldn't have taught me this, like I would have failed. To be honest, I was like, oh, I don't know, maybe I like you or something. I would have like lost my power because I didn't know this, like testing back and forth existed.
I'm proud of you.
Any advice you want to give me for like Saturday that I should do?
On some point, she's going to test you maybe for something. Here's the thing. I think if you're worried about the age thing, I think it's going to come up. And she's going to be like, you know what? I never wanted to go like on a date with you actually because I thought we were too young and I don't know if we can talk about the same thing. And then you're going to be like, you know, I had the same thing. I thought you were too old and it wouldn't be, you wouldn't be as youthful and you wouldn't be as fun to be around. So I just took the risk and saw if you can actually keep up with me.
Oh, turning table around. I got you.
Like, have you seen the video with me in the car and the 3 girls? How do I know you can keep up with my youthful energy? I don't know if you have enough energy to keep up with me. That's like testing her, bro. You do the reverse. If you do the reverse, I'm giving you like gold right now.
He's on your TikTok, you're not even getting her a gift?
What this girl right here does, what society loves, is putting a girl on a pedestal for no reason.
Getting her a gift?
Excuse me, let me speak out. Okay, thank you. The reason why she laughed is because I was completely non-reactive to her bull. After as a sign of attraction, because I didn't fall into her frame or society's frame, I stayed in my frame. She's not my girlfriend, I don't have to bring her roses.
I think you should.
Let me ask. Do you guys have a boyfriend? None of you guys?
Why would you bring
that? They're like, oh, we can't believe that this guy is testing us on our character and our performance instead of just our prettiness. Why should I take advice from you guys?
Yeah, we're pretty.
Well, the prettiness didn't get you a boyfriend yet, huh? Don't value beauty, value character.
When we were sitting in the bowling alley and she asked me that, why would you date someone who's older than you?
Did you do it? Did you say it?
She asked me that question, and I asked her, why would you date a person who's younger than you?
He needed a moment of silence. We made it.
I remember your words, and I said, let's flip the tables around, like turn the tables around.
Bro, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, it's all you. She was like, you are the youngest one that I am dating right now. And I've never dated like a man who's this young. And I also said that I have never dated a girl who's this old. And
yes! Yeah. That's exactly what I taught you. Bro, oh my God. That moment alone was, you passed the shit test. She literally set that up. That was a setup. She was like, I never do this. I never date a guy that's almost, and then she also tests you, right? She almost like says that she's not the kind of girl who usually dates younger guys. Show you, oh, she's usually dating older guys and she's not like a young guy hunter. Then she tried to test you right after and said, why would you date an older girl? And you passed the test with flying colors. And that's how you build attraction.
like the conversation we had in bowling alley, like, you know, back and forth, this thing, the one I told you, that was the like baseline for a whole day. Like that was like,
that set the mood for the whole day. Yeah. Because by passing that test, you build attraction and you stayed in your masculine, you stayed in your power, you stayed in that stillness where you're not reactive, and the girl can feel that masculine power from you.
But I was prepared for it, for sure.
Because I prepared you.
Yeah, you taught me. You prepared me before. So
I told you she would say that.
If you wouldn't have taught me this, like, I would have failed, to be honest. I was like, oh, I don't know, maybe I like you or something. I would have, like, lost my power. So I would have said that, to be honest, because I didn't know this, like, testing back and forth existed, you know? So, yeah.
I'm proud of you, man.
Any advice you want to give me for, like, Saturday that I should do in particular?
Work with silence. Okay. Like, don't feel the need on the date to talk when there's silence.
Yeah.
Don't feel the need
to when you guys have a conversation, suddenly the conversation runs out. Don't feel the need to be like a dancing monkey and go in like, oh, so did you hear about the NBA, or did you hear about Allen Iverson, or did you hear about Chris Brown, or whatever topic you're looking for, or are you playing tennis, or asking your questions just to fill the silence.
Yeah.
Silence is important, and then you stay confident in the silence because the silence builds tension. But people get uncomfortable with, and that if you stay uncomfortable with it, the girl will know that you're not as confident. How was the date?
It was pretty fun. She kept on talking and talking and talking, and I was just like being in my power, like as you told me.
Well, did you do the things also like I told you to do?
Yeah, staying in power. Yeah, like not entertaining her all the time. Yeah, I did that.
And how was it different?
It was good. Like she was expecting me to say something.
You felt the attraction? You felt the attraction?
Yes, I did.
You felt her being attracted to you through you being in your masculine?
Yeah.
I love it, man. I'm proud of you. Did you kiss her?
Yeah, I did.
This is great. You know, when people apply it, you know, that's what I have so many people I talk to all the time. And this is this beautiful progression where you told me, hey, Jesse, I have this date coming up and can you help me out with it? And we didn't have that much time. I took like half an hour with you, only half an hour. I have people I talk to for like 2 hours, 3 hours, right? And I took half an hour with you, bro, and you killed it. You talking to me before the date,
yeah,
and you were applying what I told you,
yeah,
getting the results, but also you grew as a person.
Yeah.
And growing as a person because you're staying in your power. That's way more important to me than you getting a girl, is because by you growing as a person and staying in your power, you will take that with you to any interaction. For all the future girls, you will take that.
Yeah.
I want you to remember this one thing. Don't do things for the girl to like you.
Yeah.
Do things because you are excited about it. But you staying in your power will like help you so much over your whole life. You got to follow your purpose first. You follow your dream, girls will come.
Yeah.
But girls are not attracted to someone who is just out for girls. Girls are not attracted to you if you make them number one. You want to make your life number one. You are the main actor in your movie. You're the main actor.
Yeah.
You don't want to be her featured actor. What?
Yeah.
You're living your own life. She has her own life. She's the own movie star in her movie. You are the own movie star in your movie. You Tom Cruise in your movie. She's the Emma Watson in her movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Being an alpha male, you want to say?
Well, being an alpha male is just basically being in your power. Alpha male is the word is thrown around like people have science about it. It's stupid.
Yeah.
Like, and most of the time, people who say they're alpha males aren't even alpha males. They pretend to be alpha males just to be attracted to women.
Yeah.
That's an alpha male.
Yeah.
An alpha male is in the power of himself.
Yeah.
And women are just going to be automatically attracted to that. But you don't do it for women, you do it for yourself.